Gopis are Radharani is glorified as Meenakshi. Generally they mention Durga, but this is one of the 1,000 names of Radharani. Meenakshi. Meen means fish. Akshi means eye. Ak. Meen ak. Keshavadrita Mihina Sharira. Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Right? Meena Sharira. So Meen Sharira means fish body. Keshavadrita Meena Sharire means fish body. Meenakshi Radha. Radharani is glorified as her eyes are like, hey, what is this? You're saying Srimati Radharani has fishy eyes? What is this? What is this? You're insulting my Radharani. No. This is Shiva's glorifying Radharani. Mahadev, oh Meenakshi, you are the Adi Meenakshi. Okay, Durga is also called Meenakshi. Why are you called Meenakshi? For two reasons. One reason is, if you go in the water and there's big fish which move slow and little fish which move very fast. So the fish is moving this way and that way. So Radharani is called Meenakshi because her eyes are always going, looking left, right. Where's Krishna? Is Krishna here? She's looking, where's Krishna? Where's my husband? Where's Krishna? Where's my mother-in-law? Where's Krishna? Where's my sister-in-law? Where's Krishna? Where's Chandravali? Chandravali is the Vipaksha party, anti-party. So Radharani is really busy. So her eyes are always moving like a fish. That's one quality of a fish, constant movement. Another quality of a fish is that a fish has no eyelids. 24-hour service. They're looking 24 hours a day, looking for a bigger fish come to eat me. Looking for the worm or for the big fish. So this is a quality of Radharani's eyes. They never close. 24 hours a day service to Krishna. Meenakshi Satatam Yuktanam. Satatam Yuktanam means Radharani and the Brajagopis. Only these Brijvasis, absorbed in Madhurya Bhav, they are truly the exponents or exemplars of this phrase of Krishna from the 10th chapter, verse 10. Satatam Yuktanam, because 24 hours a day they're engaged in service of Krishna.